Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: your NVIDIA account email, password, and the payment method tied to the plan. Once done, make sure you know whether you have priority, ultimate, or a trial that affects refunds. Now sign in at the Geforce Now web portal or app. Use the same account you purchased with. If you have multiple accounts, double-check so you don't cancel the wrong subscription. This gets you immediately into the subscription management area. Once signed in, navigate to Account, then Manage Subscriptions or Membership Settings. You're looking for the active Geforce Now plan. You'll see billing date, next charge, and plan details. Read them to confirm you're editing the correct membership. Next, choose the plan and click the option labeled Cancel, Change Plan, or Manage Payment. Different platforms show different phrasing. Follow the on-screen prompts and, when asked, state a reason if required. This ensures the system registers your cancellation request. After you select Cancel, you must confirm the choice. Read the confirmation screen carefully because it shows the effective date and whether any prorated refund applies. Once confirmed, check your email for a cancellation message. Save the confirmation ID or screenshot. If you still see charges or auto-renew enabled after cancellation, remove the saved payment method from your account and contact NVIDIA support with the cancellation ID, if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.